this video just to show you how to swap out the grip plate, which is this part on your AFG-1 grip. First step, unscrew those three with the Allen key that comes with your grip. Second, to pop the grip open, grip onto the bottommost part of your grip. Gently pull it. Now it's open. Now remove your old grip plate. Yeah, we have our new grip plate here. There we go. And next step, just put all the screws back in. And there we go. Now you have swapped out your grip plate. This part I have not screwed it back in because when you put it on your rifle, naturally we'll put this part in later, so I have not put it in. That's all. Thank you for watching. We also have those for sale on our website. We will have a QR code and a link in this description in case you want to purchase one for yourself.